welcome back to my channel. It's me, KayAmoah. In today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys a few of the oils that I have in my stash. All of these oils are amazing. They have so many different benefits, which I'm going to share with you guys. This is a really detailed video, so I'm going to split it into two parts. Today I'm just going to be sharing with you guys the carrier oils that I have, and then I'll be doing a separate video showing you guys the essential oils I have. I have so many oils, and there's so many oils I still want to get as well. But yeah, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys why you need these oils in your hair regimen. If you don't use them already, they'll be very beneficial to promoting hair health and also hair growth. So because this video I think is going to be long already, I'm just going to get straight into it with the first oil. Now the first oil I'm going to be sharing with you guys is probably going to be the most recognized, and that is olive oil. There are so many benefits to olive oil, and I think that there's definitely a reason as to why it's so popular already. I do have my notes on my little book, so if you see me looking down, that's why. Olive oil is really good for eliminating dry scalp, which leads to dandruff, flaky scalp, itchiness, and it's also really good for moisturising your hair and scalp as well. It also softens hair and reduces frizz, which will be really beneficial to you if your hair tends to be quite brittle or dry or have a bit of a rough texture. It also increases the manageability of your hair, as well as strengthening it, because it's quite rich in many different vitamins and antioxidants that actually lock the keratin into your hair strands, which I didn't know before. I was researching and I found that out, which I thought was really good. In general, it does improve the overall health of your hair, and you can use it in ways such as hot oil treatments, pre-poos, and also hair masks as well. The second oil I'm going to share with you guys is Jamaican black castor oil, which again is a very popular one in the natural and relaxed hair communities. There are a ton of benefits. I know it's very known for thickening hair, in particular edges. I myself have a video showing you guys how Jamaican black castor oil actually helped me to get my edges back after postpartum shedding, which just removed them terribly. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it above and below. First of all, it does eliminate dandruff, scalp irritation, and also dry scalp, flakiness. So if you do have that as a bit of an issue, it would be good to use Jamaican black castor oil on your scalp area as maybe a hot oil treatment, or to oil your scalp a few times a week. Jamaican black castor oil is very rich in a few nutrients such as omega-6, omega-9, and vitamin E, which are in fact fatty acids. So if you are suffering from really dry hair or scalp, it would be really good to incorporate Jamaican black castor oil into your regimen, just to kind of moisturize it and pick up your hair health that way. And also the fact that it's quite rich in these omega properties, it improves the blood circulation to your scalp, which then leads to an increase in hair growth. Another good benefit to Jamaican black castor oil is that it nourishes your scalp, which not only leads to hair growth but also thicker, shinier, and fuller hair overall. And the next oil is actually grapeseed oil, which is a very good sealant. It's very lightweight compared to some of the other oils, which makes it very good to seal the moisture in your hair after using a water-based moisturizer without leaving your hair greasy or weighed down. This is another great oil for you if you are suffering from dry scalp or dermatitis. It does treat those with the antibacterial properties that it has in it. In fact, it has quite a high level of vitamin E in it, which not only strengthens your hair, but it also acts as an antioxidant that helps to build tissue around your hair strands. And it also has a high level of a fatty acid called linoleic acid. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. I'll put it on the screen, and that also promotes hair growth. The next oil is actually a new current fave of mine, and that is avocado oil. I've been using this a lot over the past 3 or 4 months, and I've really been enjoying it. There are tons of benefits of avocado for your hair. I use it in my deep conditioners, as a oil treatment, and to seal in the moisture as well, because it is again very lightweight, similar to grapeseed oil, so it doesn't really weigh down your hair when you use it as a sealant. You will notice when you use avocado oil, I can attest to the fact that it does leave your hair visibly shinier, lighter, softer, and also silkier. It contains an abundance of monosaturated fats and fatty acids, as well as proteins, copper, folic acid, magnesium, and all of these properties strengthen the building blocks of our hair. The next oil is sweet almond oil, which is another carrier oil and another favourite of mine and many others as well. I know a lot of people use this to seal in the moisture into their strands, but there's also many other benefits to it. Sweet almond oil is rich in magnesium, calcium and zinc, which are essential for hair growth. So if you are looking for different ways to increase your hair growth, this is definitely an oil you should be using. It's another oil that is rich in fatty acids, which can actually penetrate your hair shaft and moisturize your hair from within. So it's not just moisturizing the outside of your hair strand, but moisturizing the inside as well, which is really beneficial to your hair. This is a really good oil for hair protection, and it always leaves your hair feeling silkier and softer as well. Now the next oil I'm going to share with you guys is actually neem oil, which I don't think is as popular, but it really should be. There are so many great benefits to this oil. One of the key things that led me to purchase this oil to begin with is that it is rich in so many antioxidants and minerals that lead to hair growth. It also conditions dry, undernourished hair. So I do know a lot of naturals, we experience dry hair. It's just one of those things, especially if your hair's kinkier or coarser, particularly, you know, the type 4C hair texture that I have. So if you are experiencing really dry hair, this is definitely an oil that you need to incorporate into your regimen. Get hold of it somehow. Again, it's another oil that helps with dry scalp, itchiness, flaky scalp as well. And if you continue to use this oil over a long period of time, you'll notice that your hair gets thicker and stronger as well. Now the final oil that I'm going to mention is actually coconut oil, which I don't have to hand. I thought I brought it up with me, but I didn't. But it's definitely a very well-known oil in the hair community as well. And there are tons of benefits. There are so many reasons why people use it. I know of late that it's kind of had some backlash. A lot of people say it doesn't work very well for their hair, but I think there's probably an equal amount of people that just love it and they'll just use that in their hair if they had to. Now coconut oil stimulates your hair follicles, promoting hair growth as well as promoting scalp health, and it fights against things like dandruff, head lice, bites if you have any bites in your scalp. Coconut oil can actually help you to clear that up and reduce the irritation, redness, swelling. I think it's really good as a pre-poo treatment just to coat your hair and moisturize it before using a stripping sulfate shampoo. And it also slows down hair loss and increases the manageability of your hair, and also promotes shinier, silkier, softer hair. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and also useful. I'm sorry if it's too long, I just wanted to really get in all the benefits of the oils so you can make an informed decision when you're searching for different oils to purchase and add to your hair collection. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video so you don't miss any videos from me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay blessed.